Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So, first of all, I'm sorry about the glare. That's why I have this here, so you don't get too much of the glare. So today I want to share a couple of things that I received from Craftstash, and one of them is by Christina Griffiths, her card making magic. It is her 6x6 medium heart box, and I am so looking forward to playing with this. You're gonna find links to these two items in the description area below, and let's see, these are the dies that you get with it. These are the shapes. I know my voice is really bad, I'm so sorry about that. And these are the sentiment stamps. Oh my gosh, I can't get any voice out unless I shout, and this is me shouting, okay? It coordinates with the sentiment stamp set, and this is what it looks like, as well as the Rambling Rose 6x6 stencil. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh goodness. To take a look and see. Whoa! These are some pretty big dies. But you know what? I'm okay with that because this is for a box, a Valentine's Day gift box, and I am so looking forward to play with this. Oh my gosh, see, and this is what I love about the dies from Craftstash and their designers, that you get so much bang for your buck. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this down here because this other thing is interesting, and I want to try it out. Okay, so we have this heart piece, and we have this other heart die. Let me see how these go. Okay, you can make shakers. As you can see, it has this shape to it, and it's a pretty decent size. It's going to make a decent size box, you know, and I'm thinking Happy Mail. Oh my gosh, you know, it hurts to talk, you guys. It hurts to talk loud. I'm talking loud right now. And I have like this double let go thing going. This is what this one looks like. Let's go ahead and put these three. And I guess it's according to whatever shape, not shape. Of course, we know the shape, it's heart. Design that you want to, you know, cut design that you want to use. And I wonder, well, this is going to have to cut this, but I'll figure it out when I get to playing with it. And look, you get these other two. I love it. Oh, and you know what this is? Excuse me, my throat. You know what this is for? This is so that when you make the box, excuse me, and these jagged edge thingamajigs, you go ahead and you turn it, and this right here is going to, I'm not going to do it on here, it's going to make you, it's going to help you take that cardstock and turn it into shape. Okay, that's what these are there for. And the same thing with this. I guess one of them is for the actual hard box, and the other one, the thinner one, which is about an inch, this one I believe would be for the lid. Yeah. And oh my gosh, look at this border. I love it, I love it, I love it. It reminds me of a punch, one of the punches that I have, but it's very, very pretty. I wonder if it goes, yep, it goes like so. And look at this other one. Yeah, and so you get all these decorative pieces plus your pieces to go with everything, so that you look, you also get flowers, so that you can go ahead and make it as unique as you want. Look, you even get bow dies. You even get bow dies, stitch bow dies with it. And I just love this shape. I just love this shape right here. And look, we can make layered flowers, and the leaves, see the leaves that go with it, they kind of layer like this. And these are the stems, and I don't know what the little circles are for, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. And here's another stitch thingamajig. I got to figure out what that one's for. But this is so cute. So I guess this, yeah, look. So if you were to get this along with the stamp set, look, the stamps are going to have this shape and you're going to be able to die cut that shape. But I'll go ahead and take a look at my, my stamps, because I think I have one shaped like this. So anyways, that is for this. Let me go ahead and put it away because I'm really looking forward to showing you this thing right here. That is very new for me. Okay, so before we move on to the second part of my haul, I just wanted to share with you the finished project. I thought to myself last night, Sandy, there's no better time than the present to do this. So I'm so glad that I did. It took me about a little bit of time for the die cutting. And speaking of die cutting, you are going to need a large die cutting machine for this one. When I first attempted to do it in my Spellbinders Platinum 6, the edges are like right there, so I opted to go with my Spellbinders Platinum, which is a larger machine, so that I can ensure that I get a good cut. I guess you can still attempt to do it with a smaller machine, but you're really going to have to watch those edges. But I just love the way this came out. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with my affiliate links in the description area right underneath this video, in case you're interested in getting this. Now, in my opinion, this is the best heart-shaped box that I have seen ever. I don't know if anyone else has come out with something like this, but it is, as you can tell, it is absolutely sensual in shape. I love it. There's no boxy corners or anything like that. I just love the way it came out. And it's going to take you a little bit of time to put together, but once you get the initial roundness on there, the rest is like butter. Enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, so the other item that I have is the House of Roses kit pop-up, okay, from Stamperia. It's supposed to make this right here. And so, let's see, in your kit, you're going to get 2 sheets with, is that 3D or 30? No, 30. 30 cutouts, and it's in centimeters, so I have no idea what that is. 2 Fogly Con 30 Redagli. I don't know what that is. 2 Fulies 30 Decoupage. 2. Oh! Okay, these are the other languages. I'm like, what the heck am I reading here? Aren't you glad I have my voice back? So you can hear all of my verbal blunders once again. These are in other languages, so you get 2 sheets with 30 die cuts, okay? Bueno. And of course, we have the very handsome, I don't know what his name is, from Stamperia. I have to say it like that, you know. So anyways, step 1, it says remove from the sheet. Step 1, remove from packaging. Yeah, that's in American instructions, right? Instructions for Americans. Step number 1, remove from packaging. It's an American joke if anyone else is watching. You know, we're big into our steps. Ooh. I wonder where this goes to when it comes to microwaving our dinners. Step 1, remove from packaging. Okay. This is very thick, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a square piece, and I have no idea where it comes from. I mean, it comes from here, but what it does, I don't know. But, oh my gosh, look at this. Now, this is supposed to make this card, okay? This is one of them pop-out cards. See, my hands, they're doing a pop-out thing, okay? So, Ooh, and it's double-sided. Check this out. Okay. Oh, I love these figures. And this is what the back looks like, and over here too. So we have that. And I don't want to lose that piece. And then over here, what's this? Okay, this is the instructions, I guess. Okay, and over here we have the other thing, the other sheet, with more beautiful pop-out features, and it's numbers. Ooh, card making by numbers. You gotta like that. I gotta love that. Card making by numbers. This is what the back looks like. I just noticed that I didn't notice that it had the numbers here, but now I know. And so you get all of the steps here, and there are the numbers, and I'm gonna have to, oh, I see. And so you're gonna go ahead and follow the numbers in your in this sheet, from this sheet. And so, oh man, it's gonna be fun putting this together. I can already tell you that. Oh geez. So it's kind of weird how excuse me, you only get one of these. I thought you would get more. But yeah, okay. So in my next video I'm gonna go ahead and show you my projects. So using my Stamperia card kit pop-up thingamajiggy. There goes my hands again. Okay, and my box, heart box. Can't talk. Heart Valentine's Day box from Card Making Magic by Christina Griffiths. Okay, my voice is shot. If you're new to my channel, yes, this is what you can expect. So go ahead and click on that button, leave me a thumbs up. A comment is appreciated based on what I have shown here. And I will see you once again. Stay real, y'all. Bye.